Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk this product. The product name is like Aliver hair fiber, okay, for thinning hairs. Okay, so you should buy this product or not. Does it really work or not? So basically when you buy this product, it will comes with approx 5 to 6 shades. Okay, so if you have brown type hairs, then they are also providing you brown shade hairs fibers, and there are so many you can like shades is available. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you only one thing. If you are going to use these kind of product, there are lots of product available in the market. All are same to same, and the working of all product are same to same. You can choose any product which is very like cost efficient, or you can like which is coming in under your budget. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now if we talk about you should buy this product or not, so my dear friends, if you are facing issue like this kind of conditions, okay, so if you have like sparse in your hairs, like sparse head, and scalp and scalp boundaries, and sparsity in your hair seas. Okay, so if you have these kind of conditions, then these kind of sprays really work. Okay, but if you have any issue like this kind of condition, if you have like, I want to show you something like you can see over here, this is the example. And if you have this kind of conditions, okay, so these kind of sprays will not work, and you need a very hair specialist for applying these kind of you can like sprays. Without hair specialist you are not able to get results. Okay, you are not able to get good looking. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if we talk about like you should buy or not, yes, definitely you can buy it and you can get the benefits, and this is really a good product, and the costing of the product is also very less, so you can buy it. Okay, so this is the information. Now if we talk about like Aliver is also a good brand, and they also have their official store on amazon.com, so you can buy without any doubt. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any experience, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. So bye bye, take care.